Good day, everyone. My name is Tori Carter, and today I will be presenting my project titled Build Analysis Solution using Power BI. This presentation is part of the course Relational Databases for Business Application. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate how Power BI was used to build an analytical solution based on a dimensional data model. I will walk through the data model, the visualizations created, and the insights gained from analyzing sales data. Throughout this presentation, I will explain how Power BI supports data-driven decision-making by transforming relational data into meaningful business insights. The topics will be as such. We have our introduction slide, and our initial slide will be the purpose and objectives. The second slide will be Power BMI model view. Third slide, bar chart using the Power BI. Fourth slide will be bar chart units per year. The fifth slide will be bar chart regional units sold. The next slide will be fact sales quota. And then finally, your conclusion. Here in this slide, I'm going to introduce the purpose and objectives of the presentation. The primary purpose of this analysis is to demonstrate how Power BI can be used to analyze sales data using dimensional data model. The dataset includes sales information related to products, time periods, and store regions. The analysis focuses on identifying trends in units sold by product name, by year, and geographic region. These insights help highlight sales performance patterns and support informed business decision making. Power BI was selected for this project because it allows efficient data modeling, relationship management, and interactive visualizations, making complex relational data easier to understand and interpret. This slide shows the Power BI model view that is used for the analysis. The model follows a dimensional design with fact sales quota as the central fact table connected to multiple dimensional tables, including date, product, sales reason, and sales territory. This structure allows flexible reporting and efficient aggregation of sales data across different business perspectives. This slide presents a bar chart visualizing units sold by product name using Power BI. Each bar represents the total units sold for an individual product based on the sales quota data. The visualization shows that sales are spread relatively evenly across different products, suggesting stable demand rather than reliance on one single product. This insight helps management understand product performance and supports decisions related to the inventory planning and product strategy. This bar chart displays the total units sold by year. The data shows a significant increase in sales between 2010 to 2012, with peak sales occurring in 2012. Sales slightly declined in 2013, but still remain higher than earlier years. This trend indicates overall business growth over time and highlights years of stronger sales performance. This bar chart illustrates units sold by store region. The results show that sales are distributed across multiple regions, with some regions generating higher sales volumes than others. This analysis helps management identify strong regional markets and areas where sales strategies may need improvement. This visualization represents the units sold across different store regions with an intended breakdown by sales category. While the dimensional model includes product and category dimensions, the provided fact sales quota table does not contain the necessary foreign keys to directly relate sales quotas to product categories. As a result, the chart that here is submitted presents the conceptual regional comparison expected in a star schema. In a complete production data set, this visualization would enable managers to compare category level performance across regions to support strategic planning and inventory decisions. So, in conclusion, this product has demonstrated how Power BI can be used to analyze sales data using dimensional model. By examining units sold by product name, year, and store region, meaningful patterns and trends were identified. The model view confirmed a structured star schema design which supports accurate reporting and analysis. Overall, the insights from this analysis can help business managers improve forecasting, optimize regional strategies, and make data driven decisions. Thank you. Go Lopes.